We fix to make some chicken livers. Alright, so what I do, I got my little colander right here in the sink. And what I like to do is just take them chicken livers and dump them in that colander. And just FYI, I don't eat chicken livers at all. My wife does, so I'm cooking these for her. Just give them a good rinse. This may not be the proper way to do it, but it's the way I do it. I give them a little rinse and then kind of move them around just a little bit. Real easy, like, you don't want to get rough with them. And the stringy fat, stuff like that, I'll be taking that off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in a bowl with paper towels all in it, and kind of ruffle them around a little bit and get all that moisture off of them in that water. Alright, got them dried off a little bit with the paper towels. Now we're going to get the flour and the egg wash ready. Got the flour. Now I didn't have all-purpose flour, which is what I would like to have had, but I got self-rising, so it'll do. It's going to have to. Now I'm going to season this up, and I'm going to put a little Tony's in it. So that right there will be my seasonings. Alright, so once I got my chicken livers dried off and kind of cleaned up, you know, the fat and stuff cut off of them and everything, I season my chicken livers also. I put a little salt on there, a little bit of Tony Chachere's, or however you say it, Cajun seasoning, just a little bit. And now we're ready for the egg wash and flour. Put my chicken livers in the egg wash and right into the flour. Some people do it twice, and I probably will too.
Doesn't that just make it crispier better?
Yeah, kindly. I had a plate over here. Hand me up. Never mind, I got it. Set them on the plate over there. Just egg wash and into the flour. Alright, we're going to do these up and we'll get back to you in a minute. Once you get them all floured up in the egg wash and flour, you just drop them in your grease.
Your inheritance might be taking care of seasoning.
That first batch of chicken livers came up and they already gone. Like I said, I don't eat chicken livers, my wife does, but yeah, she done took them things and run. Alright, so the chicken livers are done. This is the second batch. The first batch disappeared so quick I didn't even have time to ask were they good, but anyway, it's just a real simple recipe. just some eggs, flour, and chicken livers, and whatever seasoning. I used vegetable oil. Canola oil works pretty good, but just make sure your heat ain't too high, you know, so you don't burn them. And I don't know, about 3 or 4 minutes on each side, you know, turn them over, and there you go, chicken livers. Eat up if you like them. I don't like them. My wife got something to eat for dinner tonight. Woo, terrible lighting. Anyway, this price, and I just thought I'd share this with y'all. You know, there's all kinds of recipes probably on YouTube and the internet and all that about frying chicken livers, but we was frying some up, and I just thought I'd share it with you, and there you go. You want chicken livers, now you know how to do them. So, you got any tips or suggestions, leave them in the comment box, and we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all be cool. It's Price, and I'm out.